How to dispute a transaction on the Navy Federal app. You want to open up the app itself and log in with your credentials. Next, you will tap on your account. You will go to the account with the transaction which you want to dispute, checking, savings, or credit card. Next, you will have to find the transaction itself. Scroll through your recent transactions and tap on the one that looks wrong or suspicious. There, you will get an option to dispute the transaction, or you can also click on Report the Problem. Fill out the dispute form. It is going to ask you what's wrong, unauthorized, duplicate, incorrect amount. You want to give a reason for the dispute. Provide details or explanations, and you will also need to attach receipts or screenshots if needed. Then you will submit the dispute. After completing the form, you will click on Submit, and you want to wait for a response. You'll get a confirmation, and NFCU will review your claim. Check your messages in the app for updates. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.